I've been wanting to modify my 2009 Toyota Tacoma, and I got some upgrades just in the mail just a couple days ago, so I'm just going to do that. So the first mod I wanted to do was replace the stock orange lights in the cab to a new LED. See, I do not like that color. See, I only have 3 lights in here. Let's get into changing. There's the first piece, and yeah, it's hot. Woo. In with the LEDs. It is so much brighter too. Okay, now it's these. Okay, so I just got this LED in there, and that was a big pain. So now I have to get this bulb out. But as you can see, that one's orange. And that one's bright white. Look how much brighter this is. Dang, that's so much brighter. That's crazy. Okay. So I'm going ahead and installing the second one. Just need to kind of jam it in there. And I got the new one. So it goes straight into there. Like that. There you go. And that's this mod finished for the interior. That's so much brighter. So that's going to be it for this mod, but now it's time to move on to the second mod. This one should be pretty simple. Second mod are these mats. I know that these are pretty good quality. They're to replace these, go in the cup holders and stuff. I mainly want them to keep them clean and make them look nicer. I got it in gray to match the exterior and the interior of the truck. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this one, I like how they have this little thing to hold it together. Just goes right straight into there. There you go. That looks a whole lot better. It goes in there. Okay, so in order to get this big one, in order to use this one, I'm guessing I'm going to have to take these cup holders out and just slap this one in there like that. So that's more of a quality of life thing, even though that you probably won't see it most of the time. But I know it's there, and it should help out with cleaning the mess. So keeping the truck clean as well. This one goes back here in this cup holder, which there's a stick in here. So it goes literally like that. This is where the biggest difference is going to be, right here. This is going to look like that. Alrighty guys, so now it's the next day and I got my third mod ready to go. One is in my eye, so I can't really see that good, but the third mod is going to be switching out the antenna from the stock antenna that is really tall and skinny. I'm going to switch it over to a bullet. I think this is going to look really cool. It's good quality. I bought it on Amazon for like $10 and it has an American flag on it. So I think this is going to work out really cool. It's actual real metal. I think it'll look a whole lot better than the stock antenna. Had to make sure that the American flag was standing on the front. There you go. That's the one of the last mods of today. So that is the bullet antenna. That's actually pretty cool. I like that. And of course, I'm going to keep the original antenna in case this one doesn't work or I just get tired of it. So I'm going to put it in the back seat. So I went ahead and changed out the lights in the back where they're supposed to shine on the license plate. I changed those from the stock orange lights to the LED bright white. Now this was pretty simple. I did lose a screw, but I had to go find another one to replace it. At first I tried to figure everything out, but then once I got it, I did the second one in a matter of seconds. So we got one bright white LED installed. It's on the left. The right side is still the stock. So let's fire this up and see how it looks. Yeah, they're off. So here's the stock soft white light bulb, and here's the LED. Now, since it's daylight, you can't really tell the difference, but this one's a whole lot brighter. We also cleaned off the glass, so that's still good. I think it's going to turn out a whole lot better, so let's change this one as well. Check this out. So we got that fixed, that fixed. So in the dark it's going to look a whole lot brighter and so much clearer. I'm really happy how these turned out. Now it's time to see if the radio still works. Look at that, that is bright. Those look a whole lot better. It was a little past due for me to clean my truck, so I went ahead and cleaned off all the windows with Windex, and it turned out a whole lot better. I cleaned off all the sticker residue from the back of my truck. I also wanted to clean off all the dirt and grime. Yeah, that back glass really needed to be cleaned. That's going to do it for today's video of modifying my 2009 Toyota Tacoma. In the next video on this truck, I will be doing a whole lot more, but I do not want to give away anything just yet. But the interior is not complete either. A few things I also want to get done on the interior still, but this is all I have that came in so far. So like the video if you want to see more. I could do performance mods. I could do anything. I want to see how far I could get this truck. So I hope y'all guys enjoyed. Please let me know if y'all want to see more, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Goodbye.